In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Excel sheets look clean and professional with some simple and effective formatting tips. Excel is a powerful tool for managing and analyzing data, but sometimes the way our spreadsheets look can detract from their functionality. So, our goal today will be to make your spreadsheets not only more visually appealing, but also more readable and accessible. First, let's create some space in our Excel sheet. Begin by starting your table in cell B2. By doing this and leaving column A blank, you create a tidy margin on the left side of your sheet. It provides a cleaner, more organized look and makes it easier to read the information at a glance. Next, we'll tackle the grid lines. Grid lines can sometimes make your spreadsheet feel cluttered. You can easily hide them by using a simple keyboard shortcut. Press Alt, followed by W, then V, and finally G. This will remove the default grid lines from view, offering a cleaner appearance. Now, let's focus on alignment, which, believe it or not, plays a huge role in readability. The rule of thumb is to align text to the left and numbers to the right. This alignment creates a natural flow for reading text and comparing numbers, allowing your audience to digest the information quickly and effortlessly. Another crucial aspect of professional-looking spreadsheets is your color scheme. It's important to limit the number of colors you use. Aim for no more than 3 muted colors. Whites, light grays, and subtle shades are perfect for creating contrast without overwhelming your audience. Now let's discuss tables and styles. You can convert your data ranges into Excel tables by pressing Ctrl+T. This not only applies a neat automatic formatting, but also introduces banded rows, which enhance the visual organization of your data. Additionally, utilizing cell styles or themes can help maintain consistent formatting throughout your sheet. Consistency is key to a professional appearance. An efficient way to replicate your newly applied formatting across cells is by using the Format Painter. This handy tool allows you to copy formatting from one part of your sheet to another seamlessly. Simply double-click on the Format Painter icon, and you'll be able to apply the same formatting repeatedly without needing to restart the tool each time. By following these tips, you'll transform your Excel sheets into clean, professional, and easy-to-navigate documents. Not only will your work look better, but it will also be more readable and accessible for anyone viewing your sheets. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you continue to make the most out of your Excel experience.